Academy. Today we have an essential topic for businesses that operate internationally or deal with multiple currencies. We will be covering how to add multiple currency in Xero, one of the leading cloud-based accounting software solutions. So we'll be covering multiple currency in Xero, enabling multiple currency in Xero organization, entry transaction in different currencies, and reporting in multiple currencies. So multiple currency in Xero allows you to work with different currencies within a single Xero organization. It is helpful for businesses that deal with international clients or have foreign operations. In order to add multiple currencies, you have to click on the drop down on your business name here. From there you click on the settings. From settings you click on the currency. Once you click on the currencies, you can see all the existing currencies that have been added in Xero. So let's say you want to add a new currency in Xero, so you click on add currency tab here. Then from the drop down menu here, you click on that. Then you can see all the list of the various currencies, so you can go through and then you select which currency is applicable to you. So once you select that currency, you can see that that currency and then your home currency. So the home currency for this system or the organization is in USD. So the exchange rate between the new currency and then the base currency is 4.7. So when you are okay with it, then you can click on add currency. Once you click on add currency, then that new currency will be added. So the exchange rate is here. So let's say you want to set up your own rate. So maybe you want to specify which rate is applicable to you based on your exchange rate from your bank. So to do that, you can click on any of these foreign currency against your home currency. So let's say we want to set up a new rate for New Zealand against the USD dollar. So when you click on that, so the resistance rate is what 1 USD is equal to 1.66 NZD. So let's say we want to say that 1 USD is equal to 1 New Zealand dollar, and then you can also set up the date here where that 1:1 rate to be applicable. So let's say you can say, okay, this rate should run from 1st October to 4th October. Once you're okay with this, you click on save, and it will be a pop-up whether you are okay with this rate. You say yes, so you click on update. Yeah, so once you're done that, you can see that now any transaction that will perform in the system using New Zealand dollars, the relation rate between the base currency, the dollar, and the foreign currency, the New Zealand, will be 1:1. Okay, so let's assume that we want to transact any business or perform some transaction using the New Zealand dollars in the system. So let's say we are going to issue an invoice to a customer in New Zealand. To do that, you click on the business tab. From there you click on invoices. Yeah, so once the invoice page uploaded, you click on new invoice. Okay, so once the new invoice page is available, then you can enter the various details. So let's enter the name of the customer. Then by default the base currency is in USD. So since we are going to send this invoice to a customer in New Zealand, you have to change, and you want to issue the invoice in New Zealand dollars, then we have to change the currency to reflect that. Okay, so from here we select the New Zealand dollars. Then let's enter a brief description about the goods or the service. So from here you can enter here training program, and under the quantity you can enter any numbers, and then the unit price. So now let's see what will happen. So you can see that the total New Zealand invoice to the customer will be what, $12,500. So now Xero will automatically calculate the equivalent amount in your base currency. So for example, the base currency in this organization is USD. So since, remember that we said the system should, we have set up a rate that the New Zealand and then the USD dollar rate is what, 1:1. So meaning that there will not be anything like exchange gain or losses. So now that same invoice will be reported in the base currency as what, $12,500. So this information will be displayed on the invoices that will be shared with the customer. Alright, so this is how you manage foreign currency when running an invoice. Now let's look at how to run reports in multiple currencies. To do that, you click on accounting tab. From there you click on reports. Yeah, so once you click on report, you have so many reports that have been displayed here. So later I'll be doing a video on this report and how to even customize your own reports. So let's assume that we want to run a balance sheet report as at today. So by the default, anytime you try to run a balance sheet report, it automatically show the last year ending. So since we say we want to run a report as at today, you have to go to the drop down menu here, then as at today, 1st October. Then the base currency is the USD. So at the moment, let's run a report in the base currency. So you click on update. So when you click on update, you can see that this report is balance sheet contains the asset, liabilities, and equity. So all these are the balances in the base currency as at the end of 1st October. So now let's assume that we want to see what will be the equivalent balances in foreign currency. In order to do that, you click on the drop down under the currency here. So let's say you want to run this balance sheet report in the euro. So you click on euro and click on updates. Once you click on updates, you can see that all the figures have now been converted into euro. So whatever you see here is now in what, euros. So you can see, since this report by default is in US dollars, so now that it is in a different currency, the system automatically shows that this report is not, is in other currency, that is euro. So this is how we can add or manage foreign currency in Xero. So adding multiple currency in Xeros opens up a world of possibilities for businesses operating in the global marketplace. Remember to practice and explore these features to get comfortable with managing different currencies efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more accounting tips, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks you for joining us today. We'll see you in the next video.